Palestine. Free, free Palestine. Free, free, free Palestine. Free, free, free Palestine. No more murder, no more lies. No more murder, no more lies. Free, free, free Palestine.
Right now, in Gaza, millions of people are living through moments no human should ever experience. Families have lost homes, children have lost safety, and everyday life has turned into survival. While many of us watch from far away, the reality there continues every single day. And sometimes, the hardest feeling is knowing you want to help, but not knowing how. I am just one person, and I know I cannot change everything. But I believe that even small voices, when combined, can create real impact. This is why I chose to speak about Gaza at the beginning of this video. Not to bring sadness, but to remind us that empathy still matters, and support still matters. I created this channel because I love car transformations and creative visuals, but I also wanted this passion to carry a purpose. As this channel grows, my goal is to dedicate part of its future earnings to helping and supporting people in Gaza. This content is made from passion, but also from hope that creativity can bring attention, awareness, and support. If you decide to support this channel by watching, liking, or sharing, you are helping this message reach further. Thank you for being here. Now, let's begin the transformation.
Better be on the right side of history. No one can be free till we all are free.